Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create a DocHub account. Whether you want to sign documents electronically, fill out PDF forms, edit files online, or manage digital paperwork more efficiently, getting started with DocHub only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the DocHub website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button and click on it to begin the registration process. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. Depending on the available options, you may be able to sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, or an email address. If you're registering with an email address, enter the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password to help keep your account secure. After entering your information, review any terms of service or privacy policies that may be presented. If you agree, continue to the next step to complete the registration process. Before uploading important files, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the document editing and sharing tools available within the platform, and that's how to create a DocHub account. As you can see, the setup process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start managing and signing documents online in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.